I want to show you how I got 1 gig for 1 rand on Vodacom, and there is more. You'll also be able to buy cheap data, cheap minutes, and get like discount offers and buy vouchers, right? And you can also do more with that app, right? You can also do more. So if you're interested, you want to know on how I get cheap data, cheap offers, cheap minutes, and also how I got this 1 gig for 1 rand, all I have to do, just have to make sure you watch this video until the end. I'll show you step by step, and if you want the shout out, please comment down below, leave your name down there. On our next video you'll get a shout out. Let's get it. First thing first, right, you have to install this app. So what I did, I installed this app, right? I installed this app and I register, yes, I create an account, and then after I got this message, right? I got this message. They told me like, hey man, we gave you voucher. So I received this message. They said, congratulations, you have received a 1 rand coupon to purchase a 1 gig data bundle for 1 rand. So this coupon is valid for 3 days. So all you have to do, just have to download the Vodapay app, right? Go to Google Play or Apple Store, download the app, create an account, and I think you'll also receive this message because of like they just welcoming you, right? They just welcoming you. And then after that, right, after you register, all you have to do, right, you just have to come here, right, click on rewards, and then scroll, then you will see, right, and more rewards. So here is my coupon, right? I'm just gonna click on it, so you can see right here, buy 1 gig for 1 rand, right? So this is a limited stock. Let me just click on it. So you can see, you can even see other offers right here, right? So I'm just gonna click on it. Also, if you want to buy for someone, you can also do that, right? Just gonna click on it right there, and then there it is. So it's either you can use wallet or a bank card. With wallet, it's like you deposit money from your bank account, you deposit it into your account on this Vodapay app. But I'm just gonna click on bank because I don't have money in my wallet. So I'm just gonna click buy now. So now I'm going to show you how to add your bank details so that you can buy, right? So coupon, use coupon or do not use coupon. So I don't know, okay, let me say do not use coupon. Let me just use the offer that is available. Now I'll use this coupon tomorrow, right? Let me see. Okay, let me just say just enter right here. There's nothing, but click right here and your card. Right now you're gonna add your card details so that you can be able to buy. Card details
2 8.
So now I'm done. Like this is like when you buy something online, maybe like if you bought something online before, maybe on Takealot, you enter your card details, right? Card details, and if you want to set it at default, you can do that, right? I'm just gonna click on save. So just wait. So this, I'm gonna use Capitec, but I'm gonna use Capitec, and I'm just gonna use confirm. So message from Capitec app must pop up right here so I can confirm it. Confirm, then come back to your app, right? Come back. And the other tip that I can give you guys, do this, right? Do this when you buy something online, switch it on. After you buy it, switch it off, right? Switch it off. Whether you use Capitec, Netbank, Absa, just do that to avoid like online scamming things. Like when people they try to use your details, they won't be able to buy online using your card, right? Just do that, guys. So now we just have to wait. So after that, just have to wait, but wait, you can see we're done. just have to wait for the SMS. So I think it's this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there we are. There we are. They send it right there, right? They send it right there, and we're done, guys. We are done. That is all on how to get cheap data, right? Just do that to get your free coupon, and enjoy that 1 gig for 1 rand. So you can see even here what you can see, anytime data is there. I have 2 minutes. This is the bucks, and guys, we are done. If you want free data for free vouchers or free airtime, watch this video. You'll see on how to get free data, 3 minutes, or even better, free vouchers.